Alphabet from alpaca to zebra. A is for alpaca.
Yahoo!
B is for beaver. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for emu. F is for frog.
Yippee!
G is for goat. H is for hippo. I is for iguana.
Awesome!
J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lion.
Yarr!
M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for raccoon. S is for snail. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.
Yeah!